Hi, Cynthia Robertson here. In the last video, I was talking about repairing relationships, and I said there's no time limit because I've seen, and I've done it myself long ago when I was young and feeling really guilty. Because of guilt and shame, I have tried to make amends too early when I didn't do the inner work. And all that did was bring up old wounds that were not healed. They weren't healed for me and they weren't healed for the others. And all I did was make it worse. So don't do it until it's really right. Not when you're just trying to get rid of guilt and shame, but when you've really changed the behavior and you really just want to make it right. Even if it means losing the relationship to make it right. That's when you know you're ready. So, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.